Welcome, today I'm showing how to change icon shape into a Motorola Moto G22. First of all, open your Play Store and find in search X icon changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now click open. Now from the list search your application, for example maybe YouTube will be nice. Now from the library choose your icon, maybe in here, maybe this one. Okay, choose your icon and then in the top right corner we got OK button, so press it. And now wait a second for generating of new icon. Then need close ads maybe a few times. And now need to press add to home screen button. And here we got success message, so go to our home screen. And here we got new YouTube icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.